The cop just kind of like put his coat over me and had his gun pointed that way, and we went that way.
So what was going through your head?
Like, oh my God, I didn't know. I was scared, really scared, shaking.
I came out to see what was going on until I heard everybody get inside, get inside. So I came back inside. I'm still shaking.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.